I've been a home builder for over 30 years. Started as a remodeling contractor and then became a custom home builder and did that for about 20 years. Building new homes is always easier than remodeling because there's no surprises. It's a piece of dirt, you dig a hole and you build a brand new house, there's nothing in the way. I have always had a passion for revitalizing something that was there and keeping it. My wife and I and our daughter purchased this home together. And when we first came to look at this home, we almost didn't even know it was a home because it was just covered in vegetation. You were literally going through the shrubbery to get to the home. And it was a house that needed some love. I've always erred on the side of doing it the right way and also spending money in the right place. Using a siding like Hardie is definitely worth the investment. Here in the Midwest, we can have 100-degree days, high humidity, then we get a lot of rain and you get a lot of moisture, and then we get freezing cold temperatures, and that's all right here. Hardie siding performs perfectly for that climate. And no matter where you live, it's just a fabulous choice. When we were talking with our daughter and her partner Liam, they definitely had a specific idea about the look and wanted the home to have some architectural interest. Shake definitely adds a look and a style to the home along with the country lane red color with the shake. This home from the 20s is going to have a whole new life by installing and doing the right things to it, and it's going to last. When it comes to choosing a product for the exterior of your home, quite frankly, I don't think you're going to find a more durable, beautiful product to put on the exterior of your home than Hardie siding.